This is a sample of the information provided as part of the flexible training resources available through HACCP.com. Our training courses are designed to provide training participants with an understanding of food safety and quality system elements and also offer user-friendly assessment activities and competency checklists to complete the training cycle. Quality Management Systems. Key definitions for quality management systems. Control point or CP, any step at which biological, chemical, or physical factors can be controlled. Critical control point or CCP, a critical control point is a point, step or procedure at which controls can be applied and a food safety hazard can be prevented, eliminated or reduced to acceptable levels. Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point or HACCP. HACCP is a food safety methodology that relies on the identification of critical control points in all stages of food business processes. ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, widely known as ISO, is an international standard-setting body composed of representatives from various national standards organizations. Plan, do, check, act. Plan, do, check, act is a continuous quality improvement model consisting of a logical sequence of 4 repetitive steps for continuous improvement and learning. Quality. Quality can be interpreted as non-inferiority or superiority of something. Quality is a perceptual, conditional and somewhat subjective attribute and may be understood differently by different people. Quality Management System or QMS, the set of procedures for determining and implementing the intentions of an organization as regards quality. Quality Control Point or QCP, a quality control point, commonly known as a QCP or CQP is a point, step or procedure at which controls can be applied and a food quality hazard can be prevented, eliminated or reduced to acceptable levels. Quality Point of QP, any step at which product or process quality factors can be controlled. Total Quality Management or TQM, a quality management system which looks at quality from the external or customer's perspective. All items produced must meet or exceed the customer's expectations. Under TQM, quality is an essential part of every stage of the production process and not merely an inspection at the end. Quality Management Systems Development. When considering the development, documentation and implementation of quality management systems within food safety and quality management systems, the following information should be considered to ensure effective outcomes. About quality management systems. About customer focus and customer complaint management. Involvement of people. Systemic approach to management. About continuous improvement. About quality management systems. Quality management systems are much more than a mechanism to meet customer expectations. They are a component of what is now considered best practice for any food business. ISO is the international organization responsible for formatting, reviewing and maintaining industry quality standards, including some related to food safety and quality. The organization is usually referred to simply as ISO. It is a common misconception that ISO is an acronym for International Standards Organization. ISO originates from the Greek word issos, meaning equal. The organization's English name is International Organization for Standardization, while the French name is Organisation Internationale de Normalisation. These initials would result in different acronyms in different languages. IOS in English and French OIN. The founders of the organization therefore chose ISO as the universal short form of its name, which in itself reflects the aim of the organization. To equalize or standardize across cultures. The quality management systems processes within leading food businesses are strongly linked to the continuous improvement process. Quality management systems are based on the following principles, which are the foundation of the ISO quality standards: customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, systemic approach to management, continual improvement, factual approach to decision-making, mutually beneficial supplier relationships. About customer focus and customer complaint management. Without customers, food businesses do not survive. It is important that food businesses understand the sometimes rapidly changing and evolving requirements of customers, and anticipate customer requirements before they change. This process is aimed at meeting customer requirements through a strategic approach to identifying and managing customer needs. The benefits of customer focus include developing and maintaining an understanding of customer needs, meeting customer requirements, exceeding customer expectations, ensuring food safety, food quality and ethical sourcing requirements are maintained in accordance with customer specifications. Ability to obtain increased revenue and market share through efficient and flexible responses to market opportunities. Effective use of the business resources including plant, equipment, staff and processes to enhance customer satisfaction. Ongoing business through continued customer loyalty. It is important that the senior management of any food business play a leading role within the management and review of the customer focus and customer complaints processes. This will ensure general awareness of product or service issues as they occur, rather than after a significant incident has occurred. Customer focus and customer complaint management review activities must be scheduled, conducted and recorded as elements of established verification activities within any food business. Leadership. Leadership is essential for any food business to meet customer and regulatory requirements and to continuously improve as a business operation. Strong leadership allows the quality objectives of the food business to be met with appropriate and sufficient support that filters from the senior management of the business through to all of the employees and contractors. The benefits of leadership include establishing and maintaining a unity of purpose which identifies the direction the business should take, creating an environment in which participants are encouraged to achieve the business objectives, achieving unification in the evaluation, alignment and implementation of business activities, reducing miscommunication within the business, setting goals and targets which facilitate meeting customer requirements and continuous improvement, the recognition of people's contributions to the business through encouragement and inspiration, maintaining an environment of trust which is exclusive of fear, creating and maintaining shared values and ethical role models at all levels of the business. A statement of commitment or quality policy statement is often used to define the business commitment to meeting the objectives defined by legislative, industry, customer and moral requirements. Involvement of people. The involvement of people is one of the most important factors in integrating and maintaining an effective food safety and quality management system. Without the appropriate and adequate involvement of people, food safety and quality requirements cannot be met in a manner which facilitates the basic objectives of the quality management system. The benefits of involving people include enhanced participation through encouraging and motivating the involvement of all people, regardless of their position, skill or knowledge level. Development of people to ensure both the business and the people involved benefit from participation. Increasing the opportunity for innovation and creativity within the business objectives. People become more accountable for their individual performance within the holistic sense of the business operation. People become eager to participate within continual improvement activities. Organizational structure. The organizational structure of a food business is commonly defined in a flow chart style or organogram. This format defines positional responsibility and accountability regarding all aspects of the business, including those for financial, food safety, food quality and occupational health and safety. Within the food safety and quality context, it is important that all job positions that have any level of food safety or quality responsibilities are nominated within the organizational structure. These positions also should have documented positional descriptions. Organizational structures should also include the clear designation of which positions or staff will cover other positions when they are unavailable to facilitate their required tasks. Absence covering is commonly nominated in either the organogram or positional descriptions. Positional descriptions. Positional descriptions, also often referred to as duty statements, job descriptions or employee responsibilities, generally define the scope and purpose of a position's interactions within the food business. It is important that all food safety and quality responsibilities and accountabilities, no matter how significant, are nominated within the positional description. This is most important within multi-sided food businesses, where the company is led by one management group, but each individual site or department is responsible and accountable for the food safety and quality activities within their specified scope of management. Positional descriptions can also be used as a performance tool. This is commonly applied where the nominated requirements of the positional description are used to format key performance indicators, which are used to measure the performance of that particular position. Within smaller food businesses, it is often appropriate to list the requirements of positional descriptions within the organizational structure. This is often done in dot point form to ensure simplicity and traceability regarding the responsibility for designated food safety and quality requirements. Employee participation. Employee participation should be encouraged throughout all aspects of any food business operational food safety and systems. This not only provides a genuine sense of worth for employees, but also provides an opportunity to gather insight into the working elements of the business. Ways in which employee participation can be achieved include voluntary inclusion opportunities for employees within small project groups, providing a mechanism through which employees can voice their opinion regarding the efficiency and effectiveness of operational business systems, allowing employees to nominate hazards, which may include food safety, food quality, workplace quality, and occupational health and safety hazards. Encouraging employees to identify constraints to their own performance, and to evaluate their own performance against their personal goals and objectives. Allowing employees to freely share knowledge and experience, and to discuss problems, issues, and opportunities for improvement. Did you know that HACCP.com includes resources that allow you to create, manage, and implement GFSI and HACCP-based food safety and quality programs? Improve your food safety and quality skills and knowledge? Train and develop your team to create better food safety and quality outcomes? Find suppliers and service providers to partner with your business? The information and training resources available through HACCP.com include a variety of formats, such as website content, MP4, MP4 and text, MP3, PDF and slideshow. Are you ready to take the next step in your food compliance journey? Visit HACCP.com today to create your profile and access the full versions of our food safety and quality information packages and much more.